Hello everybody, my name is Kim and welcome back to Reps, and today we're going to talk about my Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarer Gen 1. Okay, I'm having problem with my Meta Ray-Ban now. Okay, I bought this January 2025 and the date now is November 2025. It's almost a year I've been using this glasses, and I'm having problem with the camera taking pictures and videos. Okay, so when I try to take photos or try to take videos, it tells me the camera is unavailable. So let me take my microphone if you can hear it. Okay, so hey Meta, take photo.
Try again.
Okay, so if you hear that, it says capture failed, try again. Okay, now I'm going to try asking Meta to take video. Hey Meta, take video.
Glasses camera unavailable. Try again later.
Okay, so I keep on trying that. Okay, I even factory reset the glasses, and also I tried to install and uninstall the app. So what I did a lot of research on YouTube and see what's happening with the glasses, and I also contacted my supplier, and they said that it's a hardware error, not a software error but a hardware error. So they said this is very common, not very common, but it happens. Okay, so now what happens is I can no longer use the camera and the video functions. The calls, the music, and some of the AI features I can use. So now what I did is I decided, should I buy another pair or should I change to another brand? Since I love Ray-Ban very much, so I bought the Meta Ray-Ban Gen 2. Okay, so this is the Gen 2. So the reason why I still keep on buying the Ray-Ban Meta because of my lens, because the lens costs more than the glasses when I purchased. Okay, so I bought the ESSILOR lens. Okay, Varilux. Okay, this one. Okay, so it's a transition lens, okay, and a prescription lens. At the same time, it has different levels of focus, so from focusing, and also when I look down and read, they also have different type of focus. So kind of like a waste because the lens costs more than the glasses. So what I decided to purchase another Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer, but this time I got the Gen 2, okay, the Generation 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this. Okay, just going to show you, but I'm not going to give you the details because I guess you guys already know about Gen 1, Gen 2. So what I'm going to do is after unboxing, I'm going to go down the optical shop where I bought the lens and ask them to change it. I'm going to show you that, and then from there, and we're going to test it out. Okay, so at the same time, I also bought the Meta Oakley. Okay, so it's the limited edition. I'm also going to unbox that too later, okay, but not now, probably on another video. So I'm really excited with this one. I haven't opened it yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this, so don't go away. Okay, so this is my Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Gen 2. So I'm going to unbox it in front of you guys, okay. So, brand new, to replace my Gen 1, which has hardware error. Okay, so let's open that. Oh, same. Okay, so see, same one as my. This is the Gen 1. So, and this is the Gen 2. It's the same case. So opened it, you have your scan here, you got your starter brochure, okay, how to use the what do you call this? Meta Ray-Ban. Okay, your QR code here. It's here. Let's get it out. Okay, the cloth for cleaning the lens, and the safety and warranty. Okay, that's it. So let's open this one. Okay, let's move that out. Okay, so open. Okay. Okay, so when you, again, my advice is every time you pull out your glasses, you gotta pull it out from the this part here. So as you can see, it has the what it calls the dark lenses. So I'm gonna change that to, I'll show you mine. So mine is this. This is mine. This is the Gen1. And this is a Gen2. Okay, so you can see that this one doesn't have the Ray-Ban logo, and this one has the Ray-Ban logo. Okay, so that's basically it. So I'm gonna bring this to the shop, and they're gonna change the lens. This lens change to here, and this lens change to here. Then I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. I don't know if they can fix it because I live in Malaysia. And the shop that they can somehow, I don't know if it's still covered with warranty or not. It's based in the US, so I got to send this to the US just to get them to fix it. But what the information that they gave me is that this error cannot be fixed anymore. So that's why I got this the Meta Ray-Ban Wafer Gen 2. Okay, so don't go away, guys. I'm gonna drive to the optical shop and get the lenses changed. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm on my way to the optical shop to get my lenses changed. Okay, so don't go away, guys. So stay tuned. This is the shop that I'm gonna get my lenses changed. Okay, here you go. Hi. Yeah, sure. So here they have like a wide range of Oakley glasses and the Ray-Bans, but here they don't sell the Meta Ray-Bans. So all the Ray-Bans here. Okay, I wanna change this lens and transfer it to.
You said you got a new one, right?
Yeah.
Then you managed to find a frame that you like.
Have to order somewhere. I don't know. I went, so transfer it to this one. It's basically the same. Just this one to here, but don't use heat and don't use alcohol to change it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that was fast.
Oh, lucky they are plastic, not glass.
Yeah.
Wait, this one I need to take off.
So what was the difference?
Very slight only, the angle.
Very slight. But this one I fit it in. It's already in.
Because normally for this type of lenses, right, they wouldn't make it too big. Yes.
So
Okay.
this is my new what do you call this? My old lenses in my new frame. So that's okay. So I'm testing out my new Meta glasses with my old frame. This has been transferred to Gen 2. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the camera. So hey Meta, take photo. So it works. Okay, then I'm gonna ask Meta to record. Hey Meta, take video. So as you can see, the light indicator, LED light indicator is flashing, so it's working. So compared to the one I previously, the first generation that I owned, it doesn't function anymore, so it has a hardware error. So now I have new pair of glasses with my old lenses. Okay, so that's basically it. So this one, I'm just gonna keep it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, my old one. Okay, so I'll probably give it away to my friend. Maybe he can figure out a way to fix it. It comes with the case. Okay, so and I have two cases now. So one is for the Gen 1 and one is for the Generation 2. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification button, and see you again next time. Don't forget to comment, guys. Okay, thank you.